In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw money from Wise into your bank account. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So in order to actually withdraw money from Wise to your bank account, the first thing you want to do is open up Wise. Now, I'll be doing this on the Wise website, however, this can also be done on the Wise app as well. The process is pretty much the same. So when you're on the home page, you should be able to see a green button that says send, and we're just going to go ahead and click on that. From there, it will ask us who we're sending money to, and if you've sent money to people in the past, you'll actually see a list of people down here. But what we need to do is actually click add a recipient. From there, we can select the currency of your bank account which you're trying to withdraw from. But since I live in the United Kingdom, I'm going to choose GBP. From there, we have two options. We can either search for a Wise tag, email or phone number, or we can enter bank details. And since we're trying to withdraw money from Wise to our bank account, we're going to select this option, and that's where we can enter in our own bank details. So if it's your first time doing this, you might not have this myself option at the top, but if you do, you can actually select this and you'll be able to send to your own bank account. But if you don't have that option, you can go ahead and click someone else, and we can then enter in our bank information. So the first thing you can do is enter in the email address if that's something you want to do, although it is optional. And from there, we can tick I know their bank details, and we can enter in the bank details. So we have two options. We can either enter in a local bank account, and for that you'll need to put the full name of the account holder, but since we're sending to ourselves, we're going to enter in our own name here. From there you can enter in your UK sort code and the account number. Now of course, if you live in a different location to England, it's probably going to ask for different details here, so you just want to put in whatever the relevant details are for you. Now you can also choose to send via IBAN, and with that you can enter in the full name of the account holder, and then you can enter in the IBAN number here. From there, you can click confirm, and that will then add a recipient. From there, you can click confirm, and you will have now added your bank as a recipient. So once you've added someone as a recipient, you can then select them from that list that we were looking at earlier, and you can then choose how much money you want to send. So let's just say I wanted to send this. I could go ahead and click continue, and we can then overlook the transaction to make sure everything's correct. And then once we've confirmed that it's all correct, we can go ahead and click confirm and send, and that will then send the money to our bank account. So that's how you can withdraw money from Wise to your bank account. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.